Hello world, my name is Jaffet and I want to show you guys my PC that I built a few weeks ago. And without any further ado, let's get into the specs. To start things off, I have the Intel i5 6600K and I got the Cape model so I can get the most out of my system by overclocking it. Currently I have it overclocked to 4.3 GHz and I'll probably push it a little bit higher. And to keep things nice and cool, I have the Corsair H60 all-in-one liquid cooler to make sure that my system is nice and cool as I overclock it past that 4.3 GHz point. On the graphics side of things, we have the EVGA GeForce GTX 970 from Nvidia to make sure that I'm not dropping any frames, and this is overclocked out of the box, so I haven't had the need to overclock it, but we'll see if that changes in the near future. Since an SSD is a must-have for any system nowadays, I have a 240GB SSD from Crucial for my operating system and my main applications. And for mass storage, I have the 2TB solid-state hybrid drive from Seagate to make sure that I have quick access to any apps I have on there and still have plenty of space for my media. And to power things off, we have the Corsair CX600 power supply to provide ample amount of power into the system and also be power efficient, as this is 80+ bronze efficient. For RAM, I got 8 gigs of Corsair Vengeance DDR4 RAM, and I'll be getting another 8 gigs in the near future for a total of 16 gigabytes. For the motherboard, I have the Z170X Gaming 3 from Gigabyte, which holds up to 128 gigabytes of RAM, can support up to 2 NVIDIA graphics cards in SLI or 3 AMD graphics cards in Crossfire. It has plenty of USB ports in the back, including one USB Type-C, and has a built-in HD audio for those killer audio sessions.
So what came in? Another tanker?
Nah, looked like some kind of research ship.
Should be some good stuff then. What the hell? What's going on down there? Everything okay?
No one wanted to believe they even existed. And when the truth finally dawns, it dawns in fire.
If not another arc, for another time.
He's the amazing handyman! Only Colombian ingenuity could bring
Just a whisper.
The Lord forgives everything, but I'm just a prophet, so I don't have to.
I come to get you out of here.
What am I?
Alright guys, that will do it for this video. Before I say anything else, I want to give a big shout out to my friend Lavimo for helping me put this computer together. He took a lot of time out of his own day to help me with this project, and I just want to say thank you for that. And as you guys can see, the computer handles like a beast, and I look forward to using it for the next, couple of years for gaming, editing, all sorts of stuff. And I'll leave a link for everything inside in the description down below. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you don't like this video, hit the dislike button. And go ahead and comment below to tell me how I can improve my videos for the future. That will do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.